I'll go first now.
Okay.
4. Alright, good luck, sir.
Nakita ko sa viewers.
Okay, hmm. Sige, ano? Ano lang ako? Pitch 4. I'll go sledge. Okay, gravy. Tagging for 6.
For
No
6.
go again, no floaty.
No on hit.
No honest, nothing.
Block 5. Take
one.
1. Wala tayong...
Ayun, counters.
Sige na ako na lang.
Okay.
Sino yan?
Victor in gravy.
Victor. Ito?
Yes.
Okay. Saan dapat dito? Okay. Take 1.
Okay, no reactions.
No reaction.
Okay. So, ano lang, Arsenal pass.
Okay. Draw 2.
Yes. Draw 3. What the hell?
Check top card. Ay, parang hindi ko na chinek. Okay. Activate Seafloor Salvage. Turn a yellow card from your grave to any graveyard.
Face down.
Face down. Then create a gold.
Okay.
Cash in. Destroy gold.
Ooh.
Draw 2.
Go again.
Go again. Wow, this sucks. Destroy Helm. Discard a card. Draw a card.
Okay. Rigor.
Saltwater Swell. Pay. Floating 2. Check top card. If it's a blue card, it will be pitched. Blue card. So I'll have 5. 5 floating with go again. 3.
3, no. Okay. Sige, ano lang. Test of strength effect. When this defends, clash tayo. Winner my gold.
Check top card.
Check top card.
Highest damage. 6.
4.
Okay, again gold.
May gold ka ulit. Okay.
Okay. Activate Gravy Effect. Destroy gold. Draw a card. Then discard a card.
Okay.
Then... 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Activate Saltwater Sloop for 6 damage. Since I have 2 blue cards in my pitch zone, it will have go again. So, 6 go again. From High Tide effect.
May ano ko pa.
1 card in hand.
Sige, ano lang. Block 5. Take
Block
1.
5, take 1. Okay. End chain.
Okay.
Blue card in my graveyard means I can summon. Summon Rigor. Pay 1. Should I?
Ay,
Ano kaya? Should I use the Mage Master? It's not. Sige. Attack for 6. No go again.
Sige, bigay ko na to. Block 6.
Okay.
Effect. May quicken ka tapos may vigor.
What does it do?
For next turn.
Yung Vigor for resource.
Vigor, resource.
Quicken for abilities without go again. Attack action
Attack action tapos weapon.
and weapon. Okay. So, Arsenal and pass. One, two, three, four. Wow, that's kind of crazy.
Ano lang ako, pass turn no?
Okay.
Kasi I have no cards.
30, 35. Ay, pwede pa itong maging 35, pwede pa itong maging 40. Pwede lang to. Call, skill, swing, sorry guys. Plus 10 na lang. Plus 5 man. 33.
Hmm. Check the card.
Okay. Ay, may ano ka? Vigor.
Ay, may one resource ako.
May one resource.
Okay.
Wala. Pop na to. Or may quicken.
Okay. Super hard decision. Wala tayong Okay. Ito na lang. Pay 3. So magkaka-4 ako. Activate cash in. Draw 2 cards.
Extra gold.
So wala na akong floating. Dapat hindi yun yung pinitch ko.
Pero grabe na surtan ka sa cash in agad. Dalawa pa eh. Crazy pool.
Sayang, kung meron sana akong boat. I don't got a boat. Sige. Activate. Shoot the hold. Next pirate ally attack. On hit effect. If it hits, you discard a card and I'll create a gold.
Okay. First, ally attack.
Yeah, first ally attack. Okay, may blue card na ako. So, activate Gravy Bones effect. I can summon an ally from graveyard with Watery Grave.
Okay.
Pitch 3, floating 1. Kasi 2 cost siya. And then... activate Yo-Ho-Ho. Next, pirate ally attack gains +1 and on hit, create a gold.
So, bali 2 gold.
2 gold na makikreate if yung mag-hit yung ally. Trigger for 6. No go again.
7, di ba? Kasi
7 pala. 7, yeah.
no go again. One. Wala man dominate na.
No dominate.
Sige. 6.
7
7. Blocking for 7. Tapos matlash tayo for vigor.
for vigor. 0.
7. So, I win. May vigor ako next turn.
Okay. So, no hit, Arsenal, and pass. Cards in hand, 3.
2. 1 arsenal.
Wala na to.
Hindi ba? Jump yan.
Ay, forever siya. Hanggang may ano ako.
May attack action.
Okay. Try ko na lang dito.
So, vigor pops. gain 1. Ganun lang. Pitch. Tas sledge kay Gravy.
Okay.
No
Check top
float.
card. Okay. Okay, okay, okay. Block for 3. Attack reaction.
No reaction. May reaction ba? Pwede
Ilan
mag-delete.
damage yan?
6.
6.
Yes.
Instant. Check top card. Pitch value will be damage prevented. So 3.
Oh.
3 damage prevented. Full block.
Okay. Faster.
You're dead for 10 games. 62 crits, boss. Ano yan? Grabe niya.
May yellow cards ka.
Isa.
Ooh, you got a yellow card.
Sync mo.
Yeah, sync. Seafloor Salvage. Turn a yellow card in either player's deck, a graveyard, upside down, and create
Graveyard
a gold. Gold.
I-turn mo yung ano?
Yeah, turn.
Yellow. Face down na.
Face down.
Jesus Christ. Ano ba sa ano ko? Ano the turn? Pero pareho na.
Murderous. Oh, wait.
Oh, may stand.
Pag nagamit ako nito, hindi pwede. Sige.
May go agad ka. Weekend.
Yeah. Hindi ko man magagamit. Gravy. Should I? Or pay ko na. I can pay. Sige. Pay 2. Dry card.
Okay.
Yo, you got the cards. Hindi ako hinintay ng... Bigay mo na sa akin na buy me ako dito.
Ayun pala. Kaya pala. I forgot. Sige. Avasti. Next Pirate Ally attack has go again. And if it hits...
On hit gold.
On hit gold. Pay. Floating 2. Attack for 6.
No go again?
With go again.
Okay.
From Avasti. Avasti.
Ayaw.
They have one heal out.
Pero yung first attack lang yung may
Yeah,
on
first
hit.
attack lang.
Boss, I had 5 cards in my hand. How did I fucking do it? Yeah, may belly siyang isa pa.
Sige. Block 6.
Okay. And attack for 4.
No on hit naman yan.
Yung first lang yung on hit. Wala na to.
Wala na yan. 4 lang. Sige, take 4.
Okay. Pass. Cards in hand.
Dalawa.
Draw for... Sige.
Si alam. Pitch for sledge. Kay
For
Gravy.
6.
Yes.
Gaya lang, please. Gaya lang. Pay the cost, kinatak ang background na tagaan.
Activate my armor. If this defends, you can discard or destroy the top card of your deck. And if it has Watery Grave,
Plus 1.
plus 2.
Plus two.
Tapos ito naman, plus 1 if an ally has been discarded.
Discarded.
So discard an ally, 4 block, take 2.
Take 2. Okay. Pass turn.
Blade Break, destroyed na yung Wash Up Wave, and Temper, counter 1.
Okay. Poster.
Activate Fly High. Fly High, next attack has go again. So, blue card in.
You can cut. Bigyan mo pa go again? Ano siya?
Di man, yung next attack lang naman.
Bali alay.
So, dapat kanina pa to nag...
Hindi,
Ay, hindi,
kasi
attack
siya?
action lang.
siya.
Attack action lang. Wala man akong attack action.
Okay.
So, since may blue card na ako sa graveyard, I'll summon Swabby for 3. And attack Swabby for 2 with go again.
2 or 7?
Ay, 7 pala.
7.
Pitch 2 pala. Pitch 2 to attack for 7.
Focus ka na. Relax ka.
Tapos na kayo?
Ha?
Tapos na kayo?
Natapunan ako ng dominate.
Damn.
Sige, block 7.
Okay.
Clash for Vigor and Gold. Vigor mo na.
1.
8. So I have Vigor. Tapos Clash ulit for Gold.
Same lang.
Pero effect ni Victor, pag nag-gain ako ng Gold, via effect ng card, mag-draw ako. Draw 1. So I'll draw this.
Attack for 4. Without go again.
Block 3.
Take
Clash
one?
for Might.
Wala.
Four mag-
1 pa rin. 8 pa rin yan.
6.
6. Okay.
I have Might.
Okay. Draw
Eh,
four.
take 1 ako. Kasi
Okay, okay.
4 siya. Okay. Okay. Vigor and Might. Pops. Resource.
Ang might di ba 1?
Yes, 1. Sige, pitch 3.
So may 4 ka na?
Yes, 4 resource. Sige, ko si Tom, taking Greavy.
4?
7, kasi may might. Effect niya, pag tumaas yung base damage niya, pag dumagdag yung 6, makaka-dominate siya. Tapos pag nag-hit, they discard a card. Taking
Magdi-discard?
Greavy. Oo. Feel ko helpful pa yun sa'yo.
Hindi, wala akong ano ngayon. Ally. It sucks.
So, bali, 7 dominate. On hit, discard card. No go agad, no go agad.
Butulon mo siya. Okay na lang dos.
May dominate ito.
7. Discard card, dominate.
Lugi ako doon. May galis ko. Ano yung pilit mo?
Ano ko dun sa 1 ha?
I foil mo.
Ay, yung clash.
I mean yung, yung 1.
M plus 1.
Yung plus 1.
Oh! I-fast natin sa ganyan. F5 pa lang.
7. No go again.
No go agad.
This is why I'm good with dealing, not unlike this.
Take 7.
I'm good with dealing.
Discard a card.
Yes, 1 lang.
Which
Gamit
card?
kay Carlo.
Which card?
It's not gonna lie, bro. Convenience. You just need to be patient. Convenience. Because like the first prio I got, hindi kay Carlo, it was so good. Dream prio, 8-5. Not only just the
Oh,
everything.
magkakaroon ako ng go again. Sige, sige, sige.
Meanwhile sa akin, Alphard ko, may cyclers na.
Sige.
8-5 lang yun. You just have to
Discard a
wait
card.
lang talaga.
Okay. Arsenal ako and Pastor.
Okay.
Last minute is kulang na sila. Just grab that shit. Ito kasi, talaga tayo na ano yan, siguro sa beginning.
Sige, sige.
Activate Battalion Baroque for 4. Floating 2. If there are 2 cards, since may high tide siya, 2 cards in my pitch zone, it gains plus 2. So 9, go again.
May effect draws up, effect fronts.
I see, I see.
Dapat pati OT.
I see.
Tapos wala na tong quicken.
Hindi, this is how you- oh, the trigger files separate rules.
Floating to,
Floating 2. Go again, 9, go again.
So like, sabi, dinahin ko na
yung mag-Swabi or mag-Reaper. Sila Swabi.
Highest value, syempre.
9 and 7. Shit, 16. Ay, 14. Wala mo na ulit no?
No unhit.
Buff lang.
Buff lang.
Nine. Block 6 lang. Ting 3.
Sige. Then, Swabi for 7. Yup. Okay lang, saglit lang. Kunin ko lang. Okay. Viewers, wait lang. Tara, dito. Doon tayo. Doon tayo kain. Dito ka na lang sa other side. Di ba?
Sige. Block 6 lang.
Nagutom na ako.
Block 6, take... Uy! Sana all.
Ano tayo? Sponsored by Stir Fried Cheesy Ramen. Zana spicy flavor. Okay.
Sige, take one up.
Okay, take one. Pass.
Binili ko lang yan 2.5, tapos the rest
Saglit
is
lang.
from my pile.
Okay, pass turn din ako.
Sige.
Ang tama yan, yung mga cater steak or catering. Honestly, i-test ko pa yan. Baka aalisin ko na lang.
Tipol.
No, ba't naman ka makapagpon ng person?
Discard. Dry card. Create a gold. Attacking for 3.
It's good! Nobody runs it, but it's good.
Wala man net na. Wala man.
No on hit. Just go again. 3 go again.
Sige, block 3.
Kailangan ko pala mag-pay, sorry. I'll pay with this one. Wait, this one.
Block 3.
Block 3. Okay. Check the card.
Hindi ko muna binili. Ano, mas lalo akong makapagastos kung may ganyan.
3 cards in hand. Pay. Use the gold.
Draw.
Draw a card. May floating 1 ako dito, no? Dahil dito. So, meron pa akong floating 1. Avasti. Next pirate ally attack has go again.
On hit gold, wala man.
And on hit gold.
Uy.
2 someone 3 0 highest value. Sige. Pay to attack Sabi with on hit and go again. Tapos may floating 1 ba?
Floating
Wala na pala to, sorry.
Like close chain.
Kasi dahil ito.
Nasa Avasti. Hit gold.
Hindi pa nga, magbayad ka first week, no? Nagalipit lang.
Sarap.
Liter.
Cheesy Frodo.
Oh, wait lang.
I don't think it's one word.
Floating 1. Pero mag-rig. Sige, ano lang. Block 3 lang.
Okay.
Take 4.
Okay. Trigger for 6.
May gold ka, diba?
Oh yeah, I got gold.
Go for 6. Wait.
Ako actually, okay na ako nabasa ng
Ito lang. Plus 1 siya kasi may gold.
Okay.
Bale, block 2.
Block 2.
Yes, tapos 3 and 4. May ano ka, vigor and quicken.
Okay.
Block 4, take 2.
Okay. Pass. Destroyed na yung ano.
Ito, destroyed na to. Ito, hindi pa.
Ito ko na lang. Baka ma-deck out ako.
Ito nga.
Untap. Untap everything.
Okay. So, ano lang ako?
Guacamole.
Matalo na mamaya. Sige, bal. Sledge for 6.
Sa akin?
Tapping gravy, yes. Floating.
Activate gravy effect instant. Destroy a gold. Draw a card. Then discard a card.
Okay.
Attacking for 6.
Yes.
Block 2. Take 4.
Sige. Poster.
Okay.
Am I dead?
Let's see. I got Vigor.
Feeling ko. Feeling ko.
1.
Feeling ko.
Kahirapin ko to.
Sige,
Ang ganda
sige.
kasi.
Sige.
Maganda to. Pero gusto ko bumili.
Oh.
May go again ka pa kaya weekend.
May, wala na pala vigor.
Yeah, wala nang Vigor.
Bye bye.
Quicken meron. Toto. Let's draw. Check top card. Kailangan ko ng... Hindi ko sinamon. Dapat yun na lang yung nilagay ko. Mali. Ito siya. Okay. Tipple. Discard. Draw a card. Attacking for 2.
Go again.
Go again. Tas
Ay,
go-
mawala na yung ganun.
mawawala siya.
Oh.
Kahit may go again siya.
Kakainin niya yung go again. May gold though.
Wala man gold. No
Wala.
unhit. No unhit. 2 lang. 2 go again.
Sige, block 2. Nope. Ilang minutes na lang? 8. Malapit na.
Block 2.
6-4. Yes. Block 2.
Shit, kailangan kong makadraw ng blue card. Should I risk it? Should I?
Tanong ko lang.
Sige. Saltwater Swell. Pay 1. Attacking for 1. Floating 2. Check top card. If it's a blue card, pitch. Blue card. Pitch. 5.
Damn.
1 damage.
Piso. Piso. Goodbye. Piso.
Enchain.
Okay.
Blue card in my graveyard. Summon Limpet.
Oh.
Limpet
What
attack
the-
for 2. Floating for 2 go again.
To go again.
Ay, shit, may camera pala. Oh, no. I'm a whore.
Take 2.
Okay. Then 7.
Holy shit, matatalo yung si Harim.
7.
Oh my god.
Ito. Block 7.
Let's go again.
Clash mo na 4 vigor, tapos sunod mo
3. Ay, 1.
5.
Hey!
Yes, may vigor and might ako next turn.
Sige.
Figure.
And turn.
Wala nang go again.
Wala na. Pero wala na akong cards.
Vigor pops. May 1 might. Speech ako. 3. Tapos attacking gravy. Ano pa? Sledge for 7.
7. 7. No on hit.
No on it. Just 7.
4. Take 3.
Okay, pass turn. Lapit ang laban. I think I died.
Check top card. Saltwater Swell.
Piso.
Piso.
Floating.
Floating 5.
Shit. Hello?
2 and 7. 2 and 7.
7. Ten. Wait lang. Kang ako'y nakatali. Sige, take 1.
Okay. Summon Kubo for fun. Join the club, Scuba. Attack,
Okay.
Limpet. Go again. Floating 4. Attacking for 2. Go again.
2. Sige, block 2.
7. Floating 2. No, go again.
Aray ko ang 7. Wait. Kailangan may defend. Block 9.
Okay.
Okay na?
Yes.
Right.
Pass. Mawala na akong cards. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay lang. Ano, pass turn ako.
Okay.
4. This is the end.
Is this the end? Tipple for 1.
Grabe.
Lethal. Pay 2. Discard a card, draw a card, create a gold.
One go again. Sige. Block 3 ako. Clash 4. Might muna.
2.
6. May might ako.
Okay. Ano nga to? Nalimutan ko pati yung pasunod-sunod ng cards ko. May kailangan akong card na nasa ilalim. At I don't know kung yung next card nito is ando na siya.
Meron pa. Compass.
Nakakita ko naman na sa ano.
Ay, okay. Yung ano.
Yeah.
Yung sunod.
Ang inisip ko kung gamitin ko kasi yung gold. Sige, gamitin ko yung gold. Destroy, discard, draw card.
Compass.
Draw card muna pala, tapos discard. Compass, check top. Hindi pa rin. Though, magagamit ko siya.
Sige.
Ano ang pinampi ko? Saan ko ginamit? Dito? So, may
1.
one floating pa ako. Sige, end-chain ko to.
Okay.
For the funsies, summon Oystin. For 0 cost. Ayusin nga natin sila. Sa tama lang lagi nag-a-attack na dalawa. Magsama-sama silang squad. Itong dalawa yung
Sige. May...
Limpet attack, go again.
Wala, mali. Mali tayo, mali tayo.
2, go again.
Malapit na malapit.
2. Go again. Block 3.
7.
Block 7.
Okay.
Clash 4 bigger moon.
Ay,
Ano lang, formality.
0, 0, 0.
6. Vigor. Okay na. Ay, nako.
Untap everything. Put bottom. Draw 4 cards. Wala na akong cards!
Vigor.
What? Wala pa rin yung kailangan ko.
Ano ako, pass turn ako.
Sige. Ay, ito pala. Okay, okay. I got it, I got it, I got it. Check ko nga muna top card ko. Murderous Rubble for 2. Lethal.
Ilan yan?
2 damage. Kung ilan yung pitch value, yun yung damage niya.
block. Clash for white.
Ito na siya. 7. 7 na tayo.
7 din?
7 din.
Nothing happens.
Okay. Activate fly high. 0 cost. Next attack has go again. Kapag blue card yung pinang attack ko, it has +1. Pero we're not gonna do that.
Wala kang blue. I think dead na ako. Pero sige lang.
Pay. Attack for 7. Go again. Floating 1.
Malapit naman, malapit na. Block 9.
Black 9. Attack
Yes.
for 2.
Wala na. I'm
Go
dead.
again.
GG.
Yeah! I won!
Panalo.
I won, boys!
GG. Pero close
Holy
naman.
shit, ang ganda ng play.
Your fighting team.
Sana all.
Ano tayo? Sponsored by Stir Fried Cheesy Ramen. Zana spicy flavor. Okay.
Sige.